Okay, so in this video, I wanted to go over how to customize or enable, even that just enable your missed call text back feature. This is really important, especially if you have a phone number that you're using for your clients or customers to contact you and you can't get to them right away. Um, this feature will send out to your clients that you have inside of your CRM, inside of 360, and it'll automatically send them a message back via text if they were to call you and you were not able to pick the phone up um, when they call the phone number that you have associated with your account. Okay, so to show you how you get there to be able to do this, let me move my buddy over here. On the left-hand side on the menu, we're going to go to settings at the bottom, and then it'll should automatically default to your business profile. So at the bottom of the business profile, we're going to scroll down, and then at the bottom here, it says this is the missed call text back section here. So what you're going to do is make sure that this button is enabled for enable missed call text back. If you don't want this, don't check this box. But if you do want to check this box, so now here is the text message that will automatically send out to your customers if they call you and you weren't able to pick up. This will automatically kick out to them. Okay, so this is the default that it comes with. The location name will be your business. You can also change these tags. You can add whatever um, automated tag on the text message itself if you want to. So even if you want to put your specific name or your name from and then your business name, you can do that as well too. So this could read like, "Hi, this is Tamara from there from your business name," and then comma, you can leave it like it is. I saw that we just missed your call, and then you make sure that you try to address them as well, to ask them a question, so that way the at least know that you are acknowledging that they did call, and want to try to get to them as quickly as possible by asking them what they may need or how you can help them. All right. So you can also send a test one to make sure that this works as well too. You can just enter in your phone number here. Let's say if it was like 980 980, but this will highlight over on the right side with your phone number, and then you just hit send test. So that way you can test out what it actually looks like on your side, and also to make sure that it actually that you put in the right conventions as well too. Um, so once you've completed that, you click Save Missed Call Text Settings, and then it'll save your message, and then it'll be ready to go out to customers if you were in a predicament where you missed their call.